So ever since I got my stand-up desk, two things that drive me crazy are this cord for my phone that keeps flopping around everywhere and falls down like that, and that my pen doesn't have a good place. Since I want it up here with me and my desk, it's easy for it to get stuck under something, or if I accidentally touch it, it rolls right off like that. So I came up with two quick solutions to fix the things that bugged me. Okay, so here are my solutions, both very simple, not the most elegant, but they work really well. I put the cord wrapped up like this in a big binder clip, and now my phone stays put and the cord doesn't get in the way and everything's out of the way and neat and organized. And then on this side, I made a little makeshift pen holder, also out of binder clips. So that one just goes on the edge there and my pen goes through it. And as you can see, this little one on the top keeps it steady there. And also, when I'm using the pen, I can put it down on my desk and it won't roll away and it'll kind of jump out at me because of the yellow clip. So those are two things I did that saved me more than 2 seconds every day.